Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can make a stitch cornrow. Very easy way you can use to make a stitch cornrow. The method I'll be using here is very easy and simple. Yeah, so please keep watching. Okay, let's get right into the video. So guys, now I'll go ahead and show you how you can make your stitch cornrow, the easy way you can use to do that. I've already done the other part, so now I went ahead and I sectioned this small portion in the middle. I'll go ahead and cornrow it without adding any hair extension. Then after that, we'll proceed with the main deal, which is making a stitch cornrow, and I'll show you guys the easiest way you can use to do that. Okay, so please keep watching, and as you watch, if you enjoy what you're seeing, please don't forget to give us thumbs up and also comment and share the video, and thank you as you do that. So now I'm done cornrowing the small one in the middle. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys the easiest way you can use to make a stitch cornrow. So first I'll go ahead and part this small portion in the front. This one in the front, I will leave it. Then I'll go ahead and part another one behind it, and after parting this one, I'll go ahead and hold it with black rubber. I'll go ahead and tie it with black rubber. If you like, you can use a thread to tie it. Okay, so here I'll be using black rubber to tie it, and after this I'll go ahead and section another portion behind it, and also I'll go ahead and tie it with black rubber. And the one thing you have to know is that as you're tying it with the rubber, just make sure that they are in line. Okay, as you are tying it, just make sure that they are in line so that it will be easy for you to cornrow. And also, as you will be cornrowing it, you'll be able to hide the rubber band. That's why it's necessary for you to make sure that as you tie it with rubber band, they are in line. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and section another portion. After sectioning it, I'll go ahead and tie it with rubber band. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure that they are in line. So this is basically how you can use this is basically the easiest way you can use to make a stitch cornrow. If you don't know how to do that, okay, this is the easiest way you can use to achieve that. Like I said, you can use rubber band to do this. You can also use thread. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and part another portion. This is what I will continue to do until I'm done with the hair. So I will continue to portion the hair in these small sizes, and once I do that, I'll go ahead and tie it with rubber band, and as I tie it, I'll make sure that they are in line, which is very important. Just make sure that as you are tying the hair, make sure that they are in line. So now I'm done I'm done tying the hair with rubber band, and as you can see, they are all in line. Now I'll go ahead and start unrolling. And to start unrolling it, I'll take small attachment and start it with. So guys, this is basically the easiest way you can use to make a stitch cornrow if you don't know how to do that, okay? This method is super easy. All you have to do is as you cornrow, you'll be adding your hair extension. As you move, you'll be adding hair extension. That is it. And one good thing is that this method can also last for a very long time. It can last very well. So guys, now I'm done making the hair, and this is the outcome of the hair. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, comment and share this video, okay? Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.